All right, what's going on, everybody? So I am really excited because I think finally, right now, GU is ready. It's been in the bakery for a while now. It's been in the bakery for a while. It's been cooking. Right. So today is August 8th. It's pretty close to my birthday, which is really cool. Right. So what we've been looking at on the higher time frames, let's just go all the way back into time. You probably know what I'm talking about right now. Anyways, um, so what we see here is the fact that you got to go to the month time frame. That's how big this trade is. All right. So what we see here, and I know this looks like a whole bunch of stuff, but I'm not changing it because I need my chart to look just like this. All right. What we see here is a price has really pushed down on a monthly basis, right? Consolidated for a while and then pushed down. If anything, I wouldn't be surprised. That'd be so interesting. Anyways, we see we see that price has really pushed down and then pushed up. And if I'm not mistaken, and I have it listed right here, it has on the monthly time frame, it has hit a lower high of 50% on the fibs. If I did point A, point B, point C right here, and then when I scroll into this area right here, I see point A, point B, point C, and I already have the fibs listed, right? Point A, point B, point C at 50%. Then also it lined up with this key level on point, right? And then started pushing down, right? And if I'm not mistaken, I think price is going to keep on going down for the most part. It should. It should keep on pushing down for the most part. All right. So before that, let me check something real quick. I just want to see. Yeah. So this coordinates. So you'll see that this right here is this right here is going to kind of look like this and push up, and that's what we're looking for, that push up. Okay. And hopefully it happens now. All right. So the week time frame now. What we see here is price really started pushing up. You see price breaks through, and then from there, we believe that if I was to put point A, point B, point C, price is going to push into this region right here. So you see price push down to this area. See price push down to this area. I believe that price is going to push up into, at the least, this area right here. So let's see. So point A, point B here, and point C, or if anything, up into this region. It really pushed down hard, so it may not push up that high, but at least to 38.2. I've been saying this for a little while. At least 38.2. It got to. Hopefully it's right now. All right. So anyways, so what we see here, let's go to the day chart. What we've been seeing here is, so price started pushing down, hit to this area, hit up to this area, and then hit down. That's the beginning of that trend line opportunity. Pushed up, pushed down, hit that trend line again, which is beautiful. Pushed up, now you got this channel that has formed. So point A, point B into the future, point A, point B into the future. And as we can see, price has kept on, just keeps on hitting this area, right? Now, what's cool is we currently are back at this trend line, right? So based upon, what's been happening in the past, you see that, you know, once price gets to this area right here, what it should do is push up from there. Okay, so price is currently at that area right now. So let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. And if I was to put another fibs, right, point A, point B, which is down in there, right, and let me hide this quick. So point A, point B, and into the future. I mean, point A, point B, right, down here with our fibs there, right? We see that price has bounced off that trend line, which is perfect, right? Now, what's also interesting is the fact that we see that there's been a momentum to the downside, right? And being the fact that there's still momentum to the downside, but it has pushed up is pretty interesting. I'm not just not seeing that right now. So what I believe is the fact that purple line. I believe that price at the least should push up into this monthly, at the least at 38.2. Hopefully, price will get to this monthly key level right here. Because if it does, you know, that's not even as much as what we expect for the entire push. But you know, 150 pips is not bad for a small move. Okay, and let's just say, you know, price gets to back to this trend line right here, or let's just say that price pushes all the way up to the 38.2 area. How many pips is that? So at the least 150 to, you know, 570 pips. That would be freaking beautiful right now. Okay. That'd be extremely beautiful right now. So if anything, you know, price may even push all the way to this week, right? And how many pips is that? So to 50% is, you know, 700 pips and 850 pips. But at the least, like, I don't think it's gonna really push all the way up there now. Reason why is because this was like really fast, and it's really trying to slow down. This was like a really fast car. It's taking forever to slow down. I think it's gonna push up. Hopefully, it pushes up into this area. But most likely, what it's gonna do is going to push up. Most likely break this area or even just break the trend line, right? Hopefully it does it quickly, right? I don't know if it will, but break the trend line, bounce off the trend line, and then from there continue. That's what it may do, right? But it's going to take a lot of power to do that. All right, so that is my quick rundown for GU. Hopefully this helps you out. If anything, write a comment. Share this video with your friends. If anything, if you want more videos, go into fxpronow.com. Again, fxpronow.com, and you have a whole bunch of videos on there. And then from there, if you have any questions, write a comment. And if anything, let's become an FX Pro now. If you have any ideas of future videos I can be able to make in the future, let me know. All right, see you guys soon. Peace.